Lights, camera, action.
Hi, in this video I will explain the principle of the break statement using a for loop. So I have a loop that is supposed to iterate from 0 to 4, and when the value of y will be equal to 5, it will exit the loop. So in here I added this if statement. If y is equal to 2, I will do a break, which means that we'll exit the loop. Now I will run the code and see the execution. As you can see, the value printed in the screen are 0 and 1. And now I will explain why we did get only these two values. So now I can explain the execution of the code. First, it will initialize y to 0. Then it will test if it's less than 5. It's the case. So it will enter the loop and will test if y is equal to 2. It's not the case, so it will print the value of 0. Then it will increment y. It will be equal to 1 now. It will test again if it's less than 5. It's the case. Test if it's equal to the value of 2. No. So now it prints f the value of y, which is equal to 1 now. It will increment the y again. Now it's equal to 2. It will test if it's less than 5. It is. So it will enter the loop and test if y is equal to the value of 2. It's the case. So it will execute the corresponding statement, which is the break statement. This is why it will exit the loop and will only print the value of 0 and 1. Bye.